Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. Today we are shooting another episode of Character Assassination. Guys, I don't agree. Chill? Dude, he's not chill.
He makes Arjun Kapoor attractive. And
I don't think anything can make Arjun Kapoor attractive. To you, Bajirao.
Not happy.
So you're saying hot people like me. Fuck Instagram. I hate you. First, let me introduce Sai Shri. This is Sai Shri, everyone. Sai Shri, say hi.
Hi.
Everyone calls her Sai Shri. Her friends call her Sai Shu. So I call her Shu.
Stop it. Get some help.
Especially because you're sitting in the Main Street office.
Oh,
And
that's
Shu.
true. Makes
It's all connected. All my nicknames are connected like that.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Do you know what character assassination is?
Nay.
Okay, so basically, we choose one Bollywood actor or actress and we go over all the characters that they've played in movies and then we decide if we want to date them or not date them. Like how worthy of dating they are or not. And because I know that you're a huge Ranveer Singh fan, all the characters that you've chosen today are Ranveer Singh characters.
Beautiful.
Okay? So, are you ready to get into it? Okay, close your eyes. I don't know why I asked you to do that. It's on the laptop. Okay. So first is Bittu from Band Baja Barat.
Hell no.
Why?
Nope.
Bruh, he's such a good character.
Man child. Not happening.
How is he a man child?
Nope. He has
In the beginning, he's a man child, but then
He takes accountability after shit has already hit the roof.
No.
No, he very actively, they hooked up, they were like in love. She was like, oh, she was giving in. And that's what he said, ha ha ha, hum dono ke beech mein jo kaand hua. That's man-child behavior. You know you like her and then you're still saying trash.
But he was saying that because he didn't want the business to be affected. No.
No, mate, just be honest. If you've done the problematic thing of working together and then hooking up, it's problematic. No, just accept it.
So you would not date him.
Nope, not happening.
Yeah, I would. Next character. Ricky Bell from Ladies vs. Ricky Bell. Quite a charismatic character.
So yum, but from afar.
Why? What do you think is
He's a con artist,
keep
he
the
doesn't
keep
have
the
a job.
con artist part out of it.
क्यों बे? क्यों बे? क्यों?
Don't look at the plot of the movie in general, but look at the person that this character is. Like this character is suave, charming, he's a hustler. Wants to get the money out.
And the main people he scammed were women. Why would I want to be part and participle of that?
If he wasn't a con artist, but he had all the other qualities, then would you date him?
No, still very gaslighting, manipulating.
Guys, I don't agree.
पूछा मैंने कुछ?
That's what I'm saying. He's very yummy, very hot, just not like
Date-worthy.
Yeah.
That's a superpower, to be honest. To gaslight someone else.
You'd make a great copywriter.
Me?
I mean, not like that. Like Ricky Bahel would make a great copywriter.
Right. Because he'll be able to manipulate audiences
Yes.
into buying the product. Next is Vikram from Lutera.
Oh,
Oh, this is also another con artist, but this you'll date. This person you'll date.
No, it's there's a level of honesty in his con.
How?
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
There is.
How is there honesty? He literally digs a hole and he steals an entire murti.
There's a little bit of. He's honest to her. He goes away. He doesn't hurt her feelings. He runs away.
Pehle to he hurts. Then when he finds out that she's sick, then he comes back.
Yeah, but that's love.
क्या बोलूं मैं इस पे? क्या बोलूं क्या अब मैं इस पे?
Yeah, he's the ultimate, bolte na, the guy that comes to save the girl in a book type character.
And he literally does save the girl
Yeah.
in the end. So, date. Okay, next is Ram.
Hard date. I love him. I love.
What do you love about him?
I think there is a level of quirky danger that comes with him, which I very hot, very yummy.
And his hair is great.
His hair is great. He looks so gorgeous. He's like chiseled. He looks like he's made of marble in the movie. I can't take my eyes off him. Like, this is the first time where Deepika Padukone and him have been on screen together, and I couldn't take my eyes off him. She is a proper like scene stealer,
That's
and even
true.
then,
That's true.
if you can't take your eyes off him, that's a
Yeah, and what are the qualities about him do you think men should adapt in their life?
I think being a little chill, but also knowing where to put
Chill?
his...
Dude, he's not chill. He's
chill.
literally गोलियों की रास लीला हो रही है भाई movie में. How the fuck is he chill?
No, but for somebody whose family is into guns, he's a very cool guy. He's got a sense of humor about him. He's got an air of like
Suave.
yeah, like very smooth for the kind of life he's living.
Okay, next is Bala. Bala. Oh, I've not seen this movie only. Sorry,
This
Andy.
Gunde. Oh no! See, I think that their brotherhood, for the first time, I think he makes Arjun Kapoor attractive in the movie. It's very, bolte na Jai Veeru type of friendship in the movie.
So,
And
I don't think anything can make Arjun Kapoor attractive.
he makes everyone look good in that movie. It's a kind of so-so movie, but no, he's very hot, really good with a gun.
Okay. Next character. Kabir from Dil Dhadakne Do. 100% date.
100%. Yes, I would
110%
marry
date.
him. I love him. Especially the scene where she takes the butter knife and is like, Auntie, wo to butter knife hai. Oh, classic. Just like how to diffuse a very disgustingly hot situation.
And he
at
also
home.
does it like accidentally. He doesn't mean to diffuse the situation.
And
but it
his
just
true
happens.
passion is flying.
Hmm.
And you can see that he has been raised by like a woman. His sister, he's very tight with her. He can
Correct.
see her struggles.
I
So-
really echoed with my relationship with my sister when he was like stealing ice cream
Oh,
for her.
that's true.
Yeah, I do that to my sister as well.
I'm an only child.
Love you, Johnny. I relate to his character as well because I also have a passion for flying. मैं अपने company के पैसे उड़ाता हूँ. Okay, I will go to the
Yeah.
next character. Bajirao from Bajirao Mastani. Yes.
He'd be shot by me. Can't do it. You bringing another woman into my house? Not happening.
अरे वो छोड़ना वो तो plot हो गया. I'm telling you,
No,
ignore
but
the
it-
plot. Think about character.
Disgusting. No.
He has so much love in his
Ain't
heart
no
to
way.
give.
Plus, as a king, it looks poorly on him that he can't handle himself or his.
But at the time it
inner
was
urges.
cool.
No, bro, he's a patient. Can't happen.
Why can't it happen? And it can happen, yeah. Anything can
No,
happen. Yeah.
see,
You do
also-
you, Bajirao.
ए मूर्ख लगाम दिखती नहीं है पर जबान पर होनी चाहिए समझ लो
Wow, life.
See, I like the personality of being a poet. I know that you fell in love with the language.
He's not a poet.
That's how they started talking, right? She was dancing in his court. They met afterwards in the Sheesh Mahal. He starts quoting poems to her. She starts quoting back. That's their first interaction.
Oh.
So he's kind of like a romantic.
I guess I haven't seen this
he,
movie.
he personifies her as like a form of artwork. I get it, but also not
And he looks
the vibe.
and like Deepika looks crazy
Deepika
good in this
yeah,
movie.
that is true.
So I wouldn't blame him for falling for that.
Not happening.
So not dating Bajirao. Dharam from Befikre. What are your thoughts?
Very hot, very yummy looking. Would date, but also I know there's no future there.
Why? At the end, they have a future.
I
No,
think
they get
he's
like
too
date.
gorgeous to be like. I don't know, man. I see hot people and I fumble.
So you're saying hot people like me?
फेंको फेंको अपनी पूरी शक्ति के साथ फेंको
Yes.
Don't deserve to be with someone?
It's not that you guys don't deserve to be. I'd be insecure the entire time.
Oh, okay.
I'd be like, oh shit, I know there's someone hotter there that he's gonna like, but
I guess no one's hotter than me. Let's go to the next character of Alauddin Khilji. Very dark, very somber, very like intense character.
he's like Darth Vader, dude. Very hot, would fuck.
Hmm.
I can't see myself dating him, but definitely would fuck. Like,
Just a smash.
Yeah, hard smash.
Don't you find that hot and attractive to date? Like he's always like, oh, I need
I love ambitious, but I think I draw a line, man. Take a break, get a weekend, smoke a cigarette, bro. What the fuck?
to just like chill out, bro.
Yeah, chill out.
Just go out on the
Like breathe the touch grass a little bit.
He just wanted to touch Padmavati.
घनी ओछी बात कर दी तूने
Okay, next character. Bhalirao Sangram. Bhalirao.
There's something about Ranveer Singh in a uniform. I don't care about the character. It's Ranveer Singh in a uniform.
You date? Yes, I agree. Especially this is his most fun character, I feel.
Yeah.
Where he's cracking jokes, he's just like out there, he's just having fun.
This is Ranveer Singh what he would actually be like a god.
Yeah, that's
don't-
true.
भाऊ जे मला माहित नाही ते सांगा
I'm not questioning his capabilities. I just feel like he does too much other things for shits and giggles that would get him removed from like a detective position. And then
I
put on-
feel you need to do other shits and giggles in your life to just be sane. Like you should not let go of whimsy, which is exactly what he
Hey,
symbolizes.
मेरी बिल्ली that is my takeaway from this.
No worries, Simba. I got your back. Okay, next, Murad from Gully Boy.
I love, yes.
Very, very good, chill boy energy who's just like, he just wants to do his
I
rap.
love an artist. I love
He's a
someone-
tortured artist as well, which is kind of hard.
There's something so, it's very Pratik Kuhar of him. Yeah.
Pratik Kaur had no struggles in life though.
He gives Pratik Kuhar of his genre, which is hip hop.
But Murad 100% would date, but then if you date him, then Alia Bhatt will come smash your head with a beer bottle. I want to see two women
Cat fight.
fighting, I guess.
अबे साले
Next character is my favorite character.
Same.
Rocky.
Love of my life. I'm already married to him in my head.
But Rocky Randhawa
Hard, yes.
marry.
Yes,
Not
marry.
even like date. Like immediately first
हाँ,
date.
जहाँ से मिला
सात
वहीं से
फेरे.
पकड़ करके अंदर in.
I agree. Last character is Hamza from Dhurandhar. Again, great character. Deshbhakt.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा एक दिन पूरी तरह फंसोगे
Anything for the country. So yes, I would be Mizari or just Keith.
Tell me more about what are the qualities about Hamza that you really enjoy.
He's very quiet, decent listener. You can't really tell. There's something so alluring about him, the quietness about him.
But what if in that quietness where he's listening to you, he's just plotting on how to take revenge against you? What if he's constantly thinking about revenge?
But as long as he loves me, he loves. Wait,
He's
as long
actually,
as
he's a
I
very
love
passionate lover though. Like he's really like dedicated to his wife and his kid. And even though he has to leave at the end, he's very emotional about it. What do you think happens at the end of Dhurandhar 2 when he goes? Why does his family not recognize him?
Because he left a different person, came back a different person.
He looks the same. No one sees him only. And then he just leaves.
Because he
a
doesn't
very sad
recognize
ending.
himself anymore.
Oh. Hard. Hard. Okay, so yeah, Hamza / Jaskirat Singh date.
Yeah, they-
100%.
yes.
Great. That brings us to the end of another character assassination video. Let us know in the comments which Ranveer Singh character you would date, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Say like, share, and subscribe. Whatever.
Like, share, subscribe, follow, comment.
Don't follow. Where will they follow me?
follow you on Instagram.
And I don't care about Instagram.
Don't say that.
Only YouTube. Fuck Instagram. I hate you.
Sarakarai, Sarakap, whatever.